The energy shortage is just another example of how the Nixon administration doesn't care about the needs of the people. Nixon gives the oil men a free hand. I don't see how their huge profits can be justified. From the beginning, I've been fighting for price rollbacks on fuel. At the same time, I'm looking to the future. I'm working on legislation so we can keep tabs on every drop of oil and never get caught unprepared again. As a member of the Space Committee, I've been working with research scientists to develop alternate sources, such as solar energy. And we have a bright immediate hope, coal. We're sitting on enough coal right here in Ohio to fuel the country for hundreds of years. In fact, I'm working to bring a coal development plant to our state. If you start with the needs of the people, you can pinpoint the problem, and you can find the solution.